Yeah, hey everyone. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how you can connect to an SFTP server using the SFTP V2 connector in Boomi. Specifically in this video, we will be using the public and private key pair content options in the connection component. The advantage to using this option over providing a path to the key file is that this will allow you to make connections from Boomi public clouds where you might not be able to place a file on the file system. So just like any other SFTP connection, you will need to provide the remote directory. Here we're going to select use public key for the authentication type. You will add the host. No need to provide a password. For SFTP, the port will be 22 unless set to something else. And then down here for the private key content, we will go ahead and add the private key exactly how it is shown in the file. It should look like this for an ECDSA private key. If it looks like this will not work. So we're going to go ahead and copy all of this content and paste it into the private key section. And then for the public key, should look something like this for an ECDSA key. We will go ahead and copy the whole thing. You don't actually need this first bit where it shows the key type or the user here. That just was a part of it when I produced this key in Linux. Anyway, we'll go ahead and post it there. Let's see here. That should be it. We'll go ahead and test the connection. It should be successful. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.